Are we live? I think so. I don't even have to push the button again. So let's take a look before you click off. This is the music video I created with AI, and I'm just going to let this play and then show you how you can use this technique to create ads or any other kind of content. Welcome. Okay, that video was created with a hodgepodge of tools, and I've learned quite a bit since then, and it's only been a few days. So we are going to attempt to create an ad for my book. I also have a book. I know I make too much different kind of stuff all on one channel, and so I am separating out my creative, and this type of content will actually be on a different channel. But for now, I just thought it sort of overlapped with the AI music video bit. And if you want to learn how to do that, just keep watching the video. And or if you want to actually watch me make that video, you can go over to the Get Songs Done channel. I did a stream similar to this while creating the video. Yeah. And now we're going to sort of streamline the process. Well, I say streamline, but we'll see how it goes. I'm using ChatGPT to create a outline of video and the prompts that I want to use and the type of style that I want to use to create a trailer or a video, an ad to promote my book. Something is not wrong with you. So that's for people that are, feel stuck in life and all that kind of things. And I kind of feel stuck about half the time. So we're going to go through that. And that's just all this is today is a work session. And if you're here, please say hi because I miss you guys. And that's pretty much it. Hmm. Okay. Let me change my. Okay. So we are attempting. So we have this outline of a script created in ChatGPT, and this is kind of a viral. Oh, you can't see. Okay, hold on 1 second. Sort of a viral script generator, which you can get access to. It's not my group, but if you want to join the group, feel free to go ahead. I went ahead and put the first link in the description for the viral ad group. And so I'm going to use this GPT, which wrote this script for me using my input to create a script for my ad that will promote the book. All right, right? Okay, and so these are the video prompts, and then up here I have the image prompts. So I'll be taking the image prompts, turning them into images, and then animating the images inside of WAN, if that makes any sense. Uh, that's just the workflow I've got right now. So here we go. And I have this idea for like this guy waking up and just going straight to his phone, look at his room. It's a mess. He's a mess. So we're going to try to go with that. And this is going to be our main character for the story. Yeah. So let's go ahead and create some more. Let's see, how can I do this? I'm trying to do this in one window, well, essentially one window, one screen, so you guys can see everything I'm doing instead of like having it up on another screen where you can't see. So I'm basically taking yeah, so I just need to go back. I was telling ChatGPT everything I needed, and even when it goofed up, I told it, hey, add this to the prompts, Um, so this is the first prompt. So, and then C2, we have the same man walks to a different office cubicle under flickering fluorescent lights. Uh, I wonder how we're going to do that. No, let's actually take this prompt, right? Comic book plus Fight Club aesthetic. I'm not going to do the comic book. We're going to do Fight Club aesthetic. Copy this and paste it into the generator. So we're going to just create an image and see what it gives us. Let's see here. They have a new image generator, so we can do it there. And we'll do that. Let's see what it gives us. And if we need to, I think we can like use the same guy, but I have a feeling it's gonna look like the same guy. Let's see. It does look like the same guy, right? This guy. Similar. That's funny. Okay, so I think we need to get this. What is this phone on? That's hilarious that there's like a storm cloud floating and there's this digital glitch. The only thing is the phone, right? We don't need the phone on the wall or the pad, the tablet there. This is kind of funny. I'm just curious about. You didn't get the plants. There is a coffee cup here on this. It looks like a bathroom sink. This is a very, very weird shot. I'm gonna I'm gonna go back. I think it's because it took the previous edit. Hold on. This is funny. Maybe because of the previous image I was editing and it tried to put it together, the two things. So let's go to generate here. Let's try it again. Okay, it was because I was in the image editor, I think. Let's just do text to image. That's hilarious. Uh, and I don't know how fast I can do this. It's usually very fast. There it goes. Okay. Oh wow. I don't know why it wants to show this bathroom thing and these phones. Is that in the prompt? Gray cubicle, storm flashing overhead, coworkers laughing, surreal mirror reflection. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, I see. So these are like multiple shots, right? That's why. Okay. So we have to clear this up. This is like more than one shot. So let's maybe tell ChatGPT to get it together, right? Um, let's see here if it did a better job here. This is the video prompt. I'm gonna just do the video prompt and see what happens. I'm really nervous about this. Is like just wasting credits, but uh, at least it realizes it's more than one scene. And this is hilarious. But okay, let's go to the video. Something else we can do is instead of first frame, we can just do like a reference so that you get the same guy, right? So we'll just do, we'll remove this one and we'll just put object person. Let's just see what happens here. Who knows? Who knows? I wish I could get a newer one. Okay, so that's a 6-minute render. These were going a lot faster before. I think more people are using the site now. Hmm. Okay, 6 minutes for 5 seconds. So maybe we should break up the image prompts into scenes. So let's have so we're gonna go back to storyboard pack. Break down the prompts. Break down the image prompts. Image prompts in the storyboard pack for to be separate, to be complete, to be break down the image prompt to be more than one image prompt. No, break down the image prompt to be break down the image prompt to be separate for each uh, video cut or video cut. For instance, you cannot be in the office and the restroom at the same time. So it should be separate prompts. Also update the video prompts to match these. Put them immediately. Put them under each image. Put them to organize them. Something like that. You have to really talk to this thing like a baby. All right. Okay, and we forgot. So I think we could take this prompt actually. We can take this one and go do it the opposite. Because when things zoom in and zoom out, I like to do the opposite based on what shot I have already so that the shot stays consistent. So since I have the whole room, I can just zoom into the clock. So let's do that. So let's use video. We're going to use this reference and these are actually the same. This is the same image. And then zoom into the clock. So we'll just copy this prompt and where it says zoom into glowing one as it buzzes loudly. So we'll do that, and hopefully will come out good. This is wild. Look at this guy. So this is the problem with not using an image reference, or I did use an image reference, but there are some new tools that don't seem to be here like I have seen online already. So maybe I need to refresh page. It looks close. I kind of love this shot. Is that the same guy? It's pretty close. What we can do is re-render this, right? Rerun without credits. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back and look at our story, see what else we need to generate. Okay, so now we're getting the alarm clock doing. He's scrolling on the phone. Can zoom in later. Toothbrush. Let's get this shot. Handheld camera as man brushes teeth. See, I don't know why. Like, small dingy bathrooms here, but then we don't have dingy bathroom here. Okay, well, that's fine. So let's get the image. And I guess we don't need I guess once you have the image, you don't need dingy bathrooms. So let's get the image. So let's create an image. I think we're doing images over here. Let's generate. This is funny that it put it all together in one. There's a lot of things going on. Coffee on the. Okay, let's try again. So let's do this. Real estate, glasses, brushing teeth, and small dingy. And imagery makes reference image. Okay, let's use a reference image. Let's try to keep this guy. Man from reference image. Brushing teeth and small dingy bathroom. Okay, let's give it a shot. Yeah, this is way slower now. I guess a lot of people caught on to this platform. You can actually run this for free on your computer if you have a powerful computer. But the credits themselves are actually not that expensive. So I'm still on. I spent $6.50 and I've only used half of my credits. Mhm. So for those of you just getting here, we're building an ad for my book with WAN. And so we're generating the images here and we're also creating the videos, which so far look like this. And if you want to see a music video I created using some of these tools, it's the second link in the description or the first video on the page. All right. And I forgot to 16 by 9. So let's do it again. I don't know why this always resets. Okay. Hmm. Or is it 16 by 9? Maybe it is 16 by 9. Why is the glass broken? Was that in the prompt? Probably. Uh, dingy bathroom, cracked mirror. Yeah. Okay. All right. And here's this new shot here. What is this? Something weird. So sometimes you get weird stuff you can't use. Oh, you can rerun them for free, or sometimes it charges you. This is hilarious. We can do. Which one do we like here? This is the same guy. I think I like the one where we can see more of his face here in the mirror. And then we can like later in post start in the mirror and then zoom out. Oh, look cool. Right. So let's do image to video here. 1080, and we want. I wonder why it's not giving me aspect ratio. Okay, so we're just gonna just type in this bit. This is the video prompt. In 1080p. Use video audio files as sound sources. Video audio files. Okay, neat. Oh, neat. Okay, so this is where the new stuff is. Oh, wow, this is it. You can add camera movement here. You can do longer. Sound effects. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, and we're just gonna keep creating these shots. Realistic 35. Still coffee into crack mug. Damn kitchen. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do actually is have him putting the coffee in the microwave because that's something I would do, and it's funnier. So I'm gonna do create, generate. Image, and I'm gonna paste the prompt, and then I'm gonna do pouring mammal classes, putting still paper, coffee cup. Oops. With coffee cup with what is the thing called? The the thing on there. Paper. Anyway, into crack mug and in kitchen. Into no, we're gonna go microwave. This is gonna be funny. Microwave into microwave into dirty microwave. Dirty microwave. Kitchen counter clutter. This would be great. All right, let's just generate. Let's see what it looks like. We are making movies. What's up, Aaron? Look at this shit, man. Watch my, excuse my language, but look at this guy. This is hilarious. This shot is not working for some reason. I'm gonna have to reprompt this, the alarm clock thing, or I can just zoom into it. I wanted to zoom into that 3 a.m. It's just not. Mm. All right. Oh, what do we get? Okay. That's funny. Where's the coffee cup? Why is he putting paper? Uh, to go. I should put to go. Okay, we'll prompt it again. And also, I should do uh, try image remix. There we go. We need this guy. Man from reference images glasses. Okay, then we'll try again. Come on. Ah, pouring. Just add your face to it. Uh, in this case, you could use an image with your face, but I'm using this AI guy. This is just like a guy. This is just like my audience, right? For the book, it's just like a disheveled guy. It's kind of me, but it's a guy, and I'm just trying to keep using the same guy. So I'm just putting this image here. That I forgot to do it in the last render. So you just put it in here, and then you just reference it, right? So man with glasses pouring stale coffee. So you put man from reference image. And some other tools is a little bit easier to do. You can just like click this, or uh, you can create AI avatars and stuff. But in this case, this tool is just developing to be a little better to do this stuff. Before I was only rendering videos in this tool, and now I'm doing the images as well. So it's a little bit trickier. Okay, so image with glasses pouring. Okay, so we're gonna put putting putting uh to go coffee into microwave. And in kitchen into, oh, I forgot to put dirty microwave and dim kitchen. I'm gonna copy this in case it doesn't work. And yeah, you can just tell it the aesthetic and everything. It's just like any other image generator. Okay, hopefully we'll get something better this time. This was goofy. So let's delete these so I don't get confused later when I'm going through these to animate them. Uh, trash. They keep updating this interface. There used to be like a trash button for the whole here. Yeah. All right. There we go. So I didn't do 16 by 9, but that is exactly the shot I want. Okay, that is nasty, but hilarious. Okay, so we need to get the one where there's only one coffee cup, right? So we'll do this one, right? And then we can animate this. I wonder why it's not doing 16 by 9. I forgot to select it, I guess. Gosh. Da-da-da. Hmm. This is new, this feature here. So I guess you can't. The try image edit. Okay. Hmm. Uh, yeah, it's being like this. Create 16 by 9 version. I might have to do it the way I was doing it before in the music video, which was a different software to create the images. Oh, here's 16 by 9. Here we go. 16 by 9. Here we go. See, I wonder why it's like choose from history. Okay, so then we have this shot. Is the one? This is the one I want to use. Expand to the frame. See, and now I've lost my 16 by 9 option. This is making it pretty much impossible to do here. So we're gonna just use maybe Canva or something to do this really quick. An ideal workflow. I could actually generate these in Canva. I could generate these in hmm, okay. I have a few tools. This one I don't want to continue using, but since I have it right now, mm, it's got to be an easier way to do this. Mm, You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start element editing. There, let's try this. Place the background. Why can I select the dimensions? That's the problem. Yeah, this might be a job for Canva. Okay, let's just do this. New design, file, create new design. Okay. This is not efficient at all, but until they update their interface to easily select 16 by 9, this is kind of what it is, I guess. So let's find our generations that we've already created. Hopefully we can see them. Okay, yeah, and I wanted to go with what? This one, right? So I'll download this without a watermark, and we'll drop it into Canva. So we're going to create a new folder for this stuff. Add image fixes. Okay. Okay. Save, and then we'll download this one as well. And we're going to expand them to fill the full 1920 by 1080. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Excuse me. We'll just do both of these together, I guess. Slightly tedious. How much does this cost? I paid $6.50, and I'm still using the credits after I did that whole music video. Although I mean, I think it's using more credits than it used to, but it's actually if you have a fast enough computer, Aaron, you can run it natively on your computer for free. I think that's why this visual interface for the website is like kind of janky because it's like an afterthought. Like they created this to run for free on your host machine. Um, and it's for people that don't have fast enough machines to do. So, okay, so we just create a folder, add image files. I'm just going to drag these on here. Here, and we'll do a second page. And we're just going to extend these to fill the screen, fill the frame, which you can do in Canva. So we'll just do, what's it called? Magic expand. There we go. Whole page expand. There we go. And we'll do the same with this one. Again, not an ideal workflow. Still trying to figure it out. I was really hoping I could do it all in one software, or two essentially. There we go. That's crazy. It didn't quite get, let's see here. Wow. Okay, we'll have to go with this one, I think, or this one. This one has some glitch. I don't know, that kind of works. It's a little bit of a glitch. This looks more natural. So we'll go with this one. And see what are my options on this one. We have happened to the expand on this one didn't work. Are you checking it out, Aaron? There we go. Oh wow. Okay. There's somebody else in that. That looks. This looks more natural. I think. There you go. Then we have that frame, and we can just animate this frame. Inside of WAN. Now we just re-download this. Both of these download. Yeah, I'm kind of just organizing these very poorly. I've got add image fixes folder, and then I've got another folder for. Actually, we'll just put them in here, I guess. Add image fixes, yeah. Okay, sure. Go back over here to here, and we can use these images as the first frame. Just need to expand this. We just downloaded this. Okay. Doesn't quite look right, does it? It doesn't look like the one I downloaded. Or maybe they just didn't quite fill all this in, but that's okay. Maybe we can figure it out a little bit. And then we have the chat GPT prompt for the brushing his teeth thing. Hopefully it works with the image being that way. Let's see. So we're actually just using that as a frame. And there we go. Image. Oh, whoops. Let's use a higher quality. We can do 1080 now. All right. So while those render, and I am going to get the other image and throw it in the renderer, do the same thing. So we got it. What is the other one? Is the coffee. We change this. Where's the coffee prompt? Ah, here. Okay, we're gonna change it. We're gonna animate. We're gonna change the prompt for this shot since it's a totally different shot. So we're gonna grab the coffee shot here. And we're just going to tell it we want the man to put coffee cup, put the coffee cup into the microwave Turn it. All right. Making movies. All right, I'm gonna go back to the channel. We're just gonna play the music video. I'll run to the boys' room. You can watch this again. This was all created with AI. Also, okay, I'm back. I'm back. 1 second. Okay. Whoops. All right. Had to bribe the cats with some cat food, snack, cat snack. All right. Okay. And let's see how these videos are turning out. Renders. Cats are going crazy. All right, we got just a sec. Almost done. Aaron, are you still there? If you're using other platforms to do this, it is more expensive, which is why I'm trying to do it on WAN. Like I said, it is an open source video software. All right, here we go. We got something. Oh, look at this. That's usable. I can just zoom in and crop out this goofy stuff here. I don't know. It is actually going to be vertical anyway. I don't know why I'm doing this in 16 by 9, to be honest. Can't help it. Too much, I guess I have too much film background. Yeah, I didn't realize that wasn't healed all the way in Canva, or maybe it just saved the wrong one because I thought it was. Yeah, it looks healed here in this version. I see. Okay, it cut off a little bit, so I could just do this maybe and re-render this. Do the same thing up here. Do the same thing. Just that. Check it down a little bit. Guess that's what it has to be. All right, I'm gonna download these again. just to get a cleaner render. This is not organized. This is all very dirty, but it is going to be about a 60-second video when I'm done. So it's not like a full film or anything. If you were doing a film, I would organize your files much better than this. We're looking to put together 25-second clips, maybe 30. Okay, so let's see here. I didn't redo this. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, so now we have the new ones here. This folder. All right, let's drag this to here. Oh, this is not the microwave image. Hold on, let me use the same. This is the microwave. Okay. Put the coffee cup into the microwave and turn it on. There we go. Boom. All right. Hopefully this works better. This didn't even go in the microwave. That's funny. There's another coffee cup. You put it on the microwave. That's funny. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this works better. You know, AI is not always the smartest. Okay, and let me try the other new image here. The cropped. Come on. Is that gonna work? Nope. All right, replace. All right. Hmm. Don't you love how you can't see what your images are on the Mac? Okay, and then we need the other prompt for this. See close up his man brushes his teeth. There we go. And the new version of this actually does make I should have video. I have some video. These are video, no? These are images. I thought I made a video of this. It's just like new mode over here. It's like a new window. Hmm. This one, I think. See, looks really agitated. Let me download this one. Let's start putting our. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna try it. I'm gonna click on it. Maybe I can uh, use. Um, there's like a video editor now. We'll just download this and just do another folder. Just put it in this one called clips. I think the problem is, yeah, enter and edit. I did some of these inside of this project and some are not in this project. So that is the problem I think we're running into. Yeah, that's why these were not. So this is like a new way to organize your stuff. The only problem is I already started doing it and not in the project. So there's a new thing. There's like a new video editor or something, like a timeline somewhere. I don't know where it is. Or I saw it. Maybe it's gone now. Maybe it doesn't exist. Maybe we're gonna just put all this in DaVinci Resolve, which is the way I did it before. Why is he not putting the coffee in the microwave? And I need to use this, I guess. Hmm. Oh, look. Okay, so this is using way more credits, actually. I might actually have to buy credits. Hmm. When I signed up for this plan, I actually got, I think, 1,200 credits, and they changed the amount of credits that you get on the plan. I was just using credits without thinking about it, but I've already burned through them very fast, actually. That's a little bit disconcerting. This might be like a reason to buy a fast computer and install it on your computer. Man. But I mean, for $6, I mean, also you can render these. You can actually do all this without using credits. It takes just way even longer than it already does, but you can do it without credits. Here, at least he's putting it in the microwave here. There, that's good. It still looks weird. Actually, I'm going to take a still frame of here, right? And then we'll just have him pull the coffee out of the microwave. Let's do it backwards. So we can just like screenshot this. Just kind of ghetto way, do this. Let's just make sure we get, I want the light. I want the, okay. Let's just do it that way. Screenshot this. Okay. Okay. And now we have a screenshot. All right. And we will just copy this, throw it in Canva. Let me just crop it while I'm thinking about it. Kind of ghetto. There we go. Crop, copy, let's throw it into Canva. And I'm gonna so now I should have cropped a little more. That's what I should have done, but I can crop it some more. So do this and then have it fill, and I'll just refill it. Edit, magic, expand, whole page, expand. And just oh, whoops! I meant to cut this off. What happened? Oh, it's not using the cropped version. I needed to use the cropped version. Anyway, we'll just do this. Okay, and then use this one. And we'll just use magic eraser, get rid of this. Okay, perfect. Now we have the first frame, and then we'll have the guy take the coffee out of the microwave. JPEG current page. Okay, and now we're on here. We'll just so good. All right. Video, first frame, replace. And now we have this new image we just got. We named it so we can find it. Cup and microwave, open. And shows a man with teeth. That is not this. So man removes coffee cup from microwave. This is funny to me for some reason. All right, we're gonna get the shot we want eventually. All right, this is good. We have that other shot that's inside of the project that we need to grab. This one of these. Okay, I'm trying to create another project. Where's this? Okay. Ah, here's the timeline. This is what I was looking for. Timeline. Interesting. Okay, so we can edit the whole video, I think, right here. So we're gonna take, I'm gonna add this from the library. And we should be able to add any of these. So it has a new, this is brand new, a video editor built in. Yeah. So I think we wanted this first one, right? Yeah. We can just do the whole video right here. That's crazy. And then we wanted to get, now we can add some of these newer shots. And so I recommend favoriting than the clips that you're going to use. That makes more sense. So let's see what I have here. I don't have any of these. Okay. Okay, so we'll just add this clip in here since we have it, and then we'll just change the order. Put the coffee first. We're just creating a timeline. I don't know why it takes so long, but we're just creating a timeline. Well, we have like a film. Oh, look, it even has music. That's crazy. So we don't need mm, we don't need the music, but uh, I'm not sure how to edit that. So, mm. So I think now, I guess we have to generate prompts that say no music and prompt so we don't get music. No, we do want the sound effects if we can. Mm. Also, if you don't have those, if it doesn't generate the sound effects or you need more sound effects, we can always, perfect. Oh, I love that. Thank you so much. All right, cool. Now we can add that to, oh, I wonder what this does. Publish, what will be public? No. Okay. Now we can go back to the timeline we're on. We can add this one. Choose from library. Now we have this shot. And confirm. Let me see what this odd, weird sound effects, but we'll just go with it. All right, and then maybe we can change the order here, hopefully. Okay. This is obviously a very new feature, so uh, actually, I'm just gonna delete it. It's here, and then we'll add that shot back in. There's got to be an easier way, but anyway, we're creating like just a rough outline of the film, and then we can download it and edit it. Put the sound effects on there. Oh, what I was going to say is if if it doesn't generate the sound effects you want, or you have trouble like getting rid of the music or something, just mute it. And I'm planning on using 11 Labs to generate the sound effects I need and music also, I think. All right. And the voiceover, why not? We have Guy, his life's miserable. Yeah, we'll cut this up even tighter, right? And have some pans and zooms and stuff. Uh, yeah. Or there's a way to like export. Oh, it's just one thing. All right, cool. But DaVinci Resolve can cut this based on the cuts. It can like recut it. That makes any sense. Okay, and then all right, where are we? We've gotten the toothbrush scene. We've got the. We didn't do this because I kind of like that shot. So let's go back. Now we're gonna try this office Fight Club aesthetic, mid-30s man. There we go. So we're gonna use the same guy. We're gonna create this. And we did, right? We had this as he's walking down the cubicle. Maybe I'll try to generate it again just to see if I can get a better image. Okay, so go back to generate. We're gonna do reference. I'm gonna use that guy in bed. This guy. Okay. We'll paste this in here. Man in reference photo and reference image. Quick call this. Desaturation fluorescent lighting. All right, we do have 16.9, and we're just going to generate. Actually, we want to generate an image first, I think. Okay, let's do the image remix. There you go. Same one. Streaming. Same guy. Try to get one that's like a closer shot of space. There we go. There we go. And we'll just generate an image. We can pick which one looks better. Yeah, I seem to be running through credits way faster than before. Um, the cost is a little more expensive now for video. It's more, it used to be 5 to 10 credits. Now there's a 15 credit option. And also, I think I actually did, for whatever reason, they gave me more credits when I signed up. They gave me 1200 instead of 300. And now it's just 300, which is weird. They gave me this for this. Or maybe I subscribe to this. I don't know. What is my plan? I'm gonna put all my back. I'm out of credits, so I need to get more. Video. This is why. Okay, I'm just gonna look member and credit. Okay, I am. Oh, I'm a premium member, so I do get 1200. I get 1200. I did the $20 plan. I see. Right. Yeah, I did the premium. I think I got a discount on it when I signed up for it. So, it's $26. I lied. It's gonna be $26. So I need to add more credits and try to figure out what the best deal is. Oh, look at these shots. Wow, look at this guy. Kind of want the cloud to look more real. I think this one looks realer, but then again, we do want the dark one, don't we? Yeah, maybe this one. Okay. Let's see, why is it? It's so tedious. I think it's because the original image I keep referencing is not 16 by 9. Clouds. Okay. One more time. One more time. Okay. This is the same guy, right? It looks the same. Close enough. He looks different. Oh wow, he's wearing a Fight Club t-shirt. That's hilarious. I put Fight Club aesthetic and it put the Fight Club t-shirt. Oh my god. All right. So in order for me to get something close to the credits I need my membership to refresh. They're more expensive when you buy credits individually. I've just burned 150, so I imagine it's going to take close to 1200. So for me to get close to that, I'm going to need to buy $50 worth of credits, which is nuts. Um, I will show you the plan I'm looking at. Oh man, that's depressing. So I would look into installing this on your computer, however you can install one on your computer. But for now, uh, yeah. Oh man, that's depressing. 1,800 credits is $50. That is a lot. It almost makes me want to sign up for um, what is the one that is unlimited? There's unlimited generations on the one with all the tools. What is it called? Uh, um, it is called. I forgot. There's a good chance we'll be switching from WAN to a different generator if it's going to be this expensive. Mm, the reason I liked WAN was because it was affordable, but now I'm seeing it is very expensive. So, mm, mm. Now I'm really curious, like what video algorithm is artless? Well, it's definitely using something. What AI? Okay, maybe what video? What AI generator? Generator. I use the wrong words. What AI? Why can't you answer my question, AI? I think it might be when, since it's open source. Artlist doesn't use a single. Mm, mm, interesting. It might be more affordable to go artless. I don't know. No idea. AI suites, $12 for videos. Doesn't say. It says flexibly generate. Hmm. Interesting. But if you want to get everything that Artlist has, it's $40 a month. Very interesting. All right, I've hit a wall here. I ran out of credits, right? So, um, hmm. The thing is, you can still generate. I can still do this. Um, I can generate without credits. It just takes longer, so I might as well just keep going, see how slow it is, I guess. So let's we got bro in the Fight Club outfit. Let's magic expand here. And turn the chat back on. I can see the chat. Mm. Okay, so that did not fill up the frame. This kind of filled up the frame. Hmm. Oh my gosh, this I think that's the closest. This was close. That's weird. This what is it doing? This looks more like an office, so I'm gonna use this, and then we'll just stretch. Excuse me, I'm burping. We'll just stretch this out to fill up the frame. All right, cool. And it's still goofy here. You know what? I'm gonna use the other. I'm gonna use magic eraser to kind of fix this. Like, why is this a bedroom? It's also down here. Okay. Might as well just do it this way. It didn't quite get everything. Draw. This looks weird. Whatever that is. This. All right. The magic of magic eraser. All right. Erase. Ta-da. Okay. Oh, that's like a sink or something. What the? All right, let's get rid of this. So weird. Thank you, AI. All right, now we'll download this. We'll try to animate this again. This is Office with Cloud. Sure. All right, give it one more shot. Video prompt. See if it'll do the tracking shot. We just named it Office with Cloud. Oh, whoops. We need the video. To 80. All right, 15 credits. I wonder what happens when I run out of credits. If it'll like offer me some kind of discount, that would be great. Okay. Should have more. So we have this bathroom mirror shot, which we have. I wonder why we have two bathroom shots. We don't. We okay. What's after that? Scrolling. We did this already. Right? It's just fun, but we'll do it again. I'm gonna use a reference image that is for sure not square because I keep doing square. Keep screwing myself. All right, so let's do text to only one image. Text to image remix. I just want to make sure that we have here. Let's say close up of man from image. We'll just use this one. Let's see what this does. From hopefully it knows what I'm talking about. We're currently generating without credits. This process takes longer. Okay. Tired of waiting? Buy more credits, jump the queue. I would like a discount. This is expensive, bro. But you can do this for free, so that's cool. It's actually going faster now that I tried to run I tried to run this earlier, the image generation, while I still had credits, and it was just like waiting. But now it's already generating um, with no credits. So I think it just might be just like a might be just fine. Just don't buy anything. Okay, cool. And we can just animate this, right? Image to video right here. This guy's starting to look a little bit different though, but it's fine. It's gonna be a quick. All these shots are so fast. We're gonna copy the prompts. I'm curious how this is gonna do with the cutting and stuff. Might as well do 10 seconds since I have no credits. It's not slowing me down. I'm just generating stuff. Okay, here's the queue. Now I'm in the queue. Okay. That's hilarious. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna rerun this. And I have no idea. This could take forever since I don't have credits, right? I wonder if I'll get like an email that's like, hey, a special coupon for you. Uh, computers. Oh, that's how you do the replace. You have to select avatar to replace the character. So I could put if the face is off or something, I can just use that option. Okay, I'm learning. All learning here. How do I get? Just trying to figure out what email I signed up with to see if there's some kind of it sent a coupon to me or something. Yeah, right now. Nothing. Let's do this. We're gonna I guess since this is gonna be a way slower process unless I add more credits, so I just kind of have to like think about this for a minute. See if anybody's watching the stream. If somebody's watching the stream, I'll add more credits. If not, then I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Anybody here? Like it's cheaper to actually create a second account and do the $20 again and get 1,200 credits. The only problem is like my timeline is different and everything is different. So, but that will give me 1,200 credits. Uh, and while I'm not live streaming, I can organize my files and stuff. Doing that on the stream. Not that this isn't boring, but doing that on the stream is kind of boring. So if you want to do this, you want to create an AI movie, AI ad, AI anything, log into ChatGPT and ask it to help you create prompts and all that kind of stuff. If you want the actual GPT bot, just join the $5 AI filmmaking group. That's the first link in the description. And the second link in the description is the video that I shot, music video. Well, I didn't shoot, that I created using all this stuff. And you can check it out for yourself. And until tomorrow, we'll see you. Yeah, make sure you're subscribed or whatever, and all the YouTube things. Thanks.